Oko miwaler.
En romo mane okelo kanyakla jokanyono manie riwruog jogo mandiko jotich kadhodh nam chumbi mar twak yokange magisegoyo kod ng'ikruoge mantiere. Jata tije e riwruogno Jacqueline Mugo ne oyango ni lwasi mar ohala pok obedo makare chakre higa mokalo kaluwore gi wach osuru makore lach ma piny owacho choko kuom jotich kaachiel kod weg kambe mondikogi.
2024 posed significant challenges for businesses, including low demand, liquidity constraints, rising costs of doing business, a challenging tax regime, frequent legislative changes, a shrinking market, and loss of competitiveness for many enterprises. These challenges strained employers, reduced productivity, and hindered job creation. They also led to many cases of redundancies, the closure of many enterprises.
En gino magikoni ne omiyo gigolo kwayo ne piny owacho mondo mi oketi okange mowinjore mar duoko chien kiwango mar ushuru magichoko mar keto lwasi maber mar ohala e pachoka.
So we looked at the housing levy, which has been quite significant at 1.5% on the total earnings, and proposed that that could be reduced to 0.5%. because we know that a good amount of money has been raised already to cover the housing aspirations of the government. We looked at SHA, where employees are contributing 2.7%, but the implementation of SHA has faced a lot of challenges. This is in the public domain, and requested that those issues be addressed.
Gidwani piny owacho res moko kuom kambe mane opodho kaluwore gi pek mar osuru, gino mane omiyo oganda makwaro wito thuolo mag tije kendo koro kale ngima matek gi familia mekgi.
In the survey that we conducted last year, we highlighted that there were over 5,000 jobs that had been lost. And of course, we've seen more jobs being lost since then, more enterprises closing down. In this region in particular, enterprises have also closed down. So we need to look at the state of businesses and why businesses are closing down or relocating or reducing their workforce to be able to keep people in jobs. So for us, it boils down to supporting enterprises to be competitive.
Komachielo, gikoni dwaro nitiere mar piny Kenya keto thenge pogruok manie kinde kod piny Sudan, to chutho kaluwore gi lal mapek magikoni ne oyudore pachoka, bang' Sudan kumo majan mawuok e pachoka donjo e pinygi.
Deeply concerned about the ban by the government of Sudan on Kenyan tea imports since March 11 this year. This unilateral action has caused losses estimated at 2.4 billion Kenya shillings, with our tea stuck at Port Sudan on vessels en route or warehoused in Mombasa. So we call upon the government of Kenya to engage Sudan urgently and diplomatically to resolve this issue and restore market access so that we can sell our tea.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Kaunti ma Kisumu ya wayanga chenro makende mabiro neno ni giduoko gope duto magweg lope ni godo kaka yorobero dongruok mar alwora ma Kisumu. Kano losero momo yedhe mane gibedo kod jopiny meneje boma ma Kisumu abala wanga okwayo weg mwandu e kaunti no enya to mose misie mondo chop kare dwaro ma tieko gopegi kosiemo ni